Hey, if you're looking for a review on Home Business Academy, then you came to the right place. If you don't know who I am, I'm Gio Gianta. I was $87,000 in debt. I didn't know what I was going to do. I was stressed. I was depressed. I was feeling just, overwhelmed, and I wanted a way out. I wanted a way to actually make money online and make a change in my life. So I was able to get in contact with some mentors that actually showed me a concept that enabled me to actually make a difference in my life and start making money online. And if you could notice right here, I'm on the leaderboards for this week, and I haven't even been in this opportunity for that long, and I'm already seeing results. I'm not even all the way set up yet, which is the crazy part about it. Is anybody that gets involved in this opportunity could start seeing results immediately when they get in and they get plugged in and they actually take action. That's the thing. When people get into opportunity, they don't always take action, and the results actually show their lack of inaction. So you got to take action no matter what you get involved in, no matter what you do. You got to actually plug in and learn the methods. So if you're watching this video from my email list, you got onto my email list either from Facebook, YouTube, or paid advertising. And you got onto my email list because you were looking for ways to make money online, and you were looking for more information. So you were able to go through a sales funnel system, which actually gave you more information about what I'm doing to actually earn online. You had an interest, you put in your email, it took you to a sales page. The sales page pretty much showed you a presentation, and you got onto my email list, and now you receive my emails. So this system, actually built out this entire website, and that's what the sales funnel system does. So this comes with a sales funnel, a sales funnel builder right here. And the sales funnel builder is going to allow you to actually build out your sales funnels. It's going to tell you to watch these videos to get started first, and then to, plug into our Facebook group and, get plugged in so that you can get support immediately. And there's a funnel builder setup, so you're going to want to set up your custom domain to brand towards you. You're going to want to, get your email set up so that way you can start, getting your emails, and you could get your autoresponder set up to actually have people that respond to you in email, that you're able to actually, build a relationship, build a rapport with those people that don't know you. Yeah, that's cold traffic. And that's the best way to convert cold traffic, is actually through video and building through your email list, giving them content, giving them value through the email list. So that's an amazing way that you could actually build an audience. If you don't have an audience, then it's going to teach you about, how to do your custom pages, how to optimize for mobile, how to actually put your custom, pixels on there, your tracking conversions, so that way your stats, how to do exit pop. So if they try to leave your funnel, you could actually have a message that pops up telling them to wait, and then it could take them to another place in your funnel to keep them within the funnel, right? You want to keep your traffic inside your funnel. You don't want them to go outside the funnel, because you want to keep them within there. And then you're going to learn how to, track your leads with the builder. You're going to learn how to sell your own products. You're going to learn how to do, upsells and downsells. So upsell is basically an additional bonus that they get for joining. A downsell is if they say they don't want that bonus and they try to get out, it's going to give them another offer which is at a lower value. That's a downsell. And then you're going to learn how to actually do a membership site. You can learn how to host your videos and do all that stuff within this system. This funnel builder is only $25 a month. You get 80% commissions, which is it's phenomenal. You get a $20 a month commission from $25 a month. So the company only keeps $5 of that whole commission, which is amazing. 80% commissions is really amazing. So when you get your funnel builder set up, you're going to want to learn how to get traffic to your funnel, right? So, I upgraded all the way, and I'm learning how to get traffic to my offers in all different kinds of ways that I didn't even know I could get traffic, which is amazing. They got free traffic methods pre-traffic before you actually get traffic. You're going to learn all about mindset, all about the steps that you need to actually, get the traffic, and how to get to your dreams, how to actually, build out and keep your password so you don't get overwhelmed, how to build out your lead magnet. Your lead magnet is what you offer somebody in exchange for their email. So you might give them a giveaway, right, to get an email, right? And when you get the email address, that's the giveaway. You're going to learn how to do that. That's the lead magnet that you offer them, right? And then they have free methods of traffic, which you're going to want to learn how to do, which are basically how to launch your business the right way, how to invite people, how to follow up with people, and have those relationships, how to get unlimited leads through Facebook, how to blog if you want to learn how to blog, YouTube ranking, which is why you see my videos in the top of the search engines. You're going to learn how to actually rank your videos. Podcasting, if you prefer to do that, that's like a radio show. If you like that method better, you could use that method as well. And then how to use Facebook ads, how to do Facebook Lives the right way to actually convert sales. And then there's a 5-day challenge. That the 5-day challenge is going to show you how to actually launch your product or whatever you have, how to do a launch, right? So the launch is the fastest way to get people involved in an opportunity, because you get them onto a presentation, you give them value, then you turn them from somebody who is a student into somebody who joins your opportunity because you gave them so much value. So that launch formula is amazing. And then you could also get live coaching. You could get it live. They do, coaching every single week as well. So you could tap into the Zoom meetings that we have. They have bonus trainings for you to actually learn more. And then they also have done for you funnels. So you could actually get in and start getting results immediately with the done for you funnels. If you want to use their funnels that they already created, they already tested, they know they convert. So they're already done for you. So you could use those as well. And then when you start making money online, you have to know how to, manage your business. That's a lot of people's problems, is they don't know how to manage your home business once they start making money, because they have to actually learn how to file their taxes. So this has how to eliminate your debt. This course, I also got this course. It's a one-time fee, and I also got it as well. So I'm able to earn up to $500 or more from people that come into this opportunity with me. So it's pretty much a nice little chunk of money when you start, earning those commissions from one person who comes on board. So you're going to actually learn that. You're going to learn how to eliminate debt. You're going to learn how to actually, manage your taxes as a business owner. It's going to show you how to actually do your taxes to save the most amount of money. Because when you start making money, you want to be able to save money too, right? You don't want to give it all away in taxes. You want to get the most back for your money, get the most back for your business. So that's what this is going to teach you. It also teaches you about, other strategies to actually, build your business. And, it's going to show you actually how to earn side incomes as well in your business. So that's what this allows you to do, with other strategies to make money in your business as well. So, you get all this stuff when you come on board, and you're going to learn how to actually, build your business the right way, how to be a master marketer, master your craft, be amazing at marketing, and you're going to actually learn how to, generate traffic. And when you come on board with me, you're going to be able to, get on my team and learn actually how to market yourself, get one-on-one support from me and my team. And you're also going to learn, is what I'm going to do for you, is I'm going to actually help you to be able to get at least 1,000 people per month to see the opportunity and to be able to actually, get traffic. So you're going to be able to offer that as an incentive to get people to join you. When they sign up with you, they're going to be able to get traffic, a minimum of 1,000 people. Depending on your work ethic, you could get more or less than that, depending on, your work ethic, right? So it all depends on you and how bad you really want this. But if you're really, really serious about making a change in your life, you want a difference in your life, make sure you click that link below this video and get started with me today, because I'm going to offer you a bunch of traffic training, which is going to change the way that you do business. If you were ever stuck in marketing before and you never had any guidance, now you're going to have that guidance, right? And now you're going to be able to actually, generate leads for yourself, and you're going to be able to build an audience, which is very, very important. So, make sure you click that link below this video, and, connect with me on Facebook. I'm also on Facebook as well, and I'll see you on the other side. All right, until next time, talk to you soon.